Walkie Bell? Are we on our way to Inferno performance? Huh? He said, Daddy gotta go get a workout in, huh? Yeah. Yeah, make sure y'all go rock with my guy Dante, man. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel, man. He is gonna be putting up some iconic workouts, man. Some workouts that are very motivating and inspiring to other people like myself and others. But other than that, man, make sure you guys go rock with him, man, at Inferno Performance. You guys see it on the screen. And it's whenever I shot somebody out, their link is always in the description of the video. So if you go in the description, you'll be able to pull them up. So make sure you go follow them, man. Other than that, I'm on my way to go get my workout in. I got my son Logie Bear with me, Logan, and we're gonna go get a workout in. Usually he's at daycare, but today we are going out of town here pretty soon, so he is with me because he needs to be at daycare a little later today, so I don't want to have him there all day. So instead of having him there all day, I'd rather spend time with my son. Father-son bonding time. Gang. Got some little kind of loud noise going on with this little machine over here, so we're gonna sit in the car real quick because I don't want to hear all that noise while I'm trying to talk to you guys. But other than that, man, you see Logie Bear is still with me. You can see we here at Inferno Performance Gym, baby, with my guy Dante, man. Shout out to him, man, and every trainer here. But we here about to get this workout in. We're gonna chop it up with Dante. And like I said in the last video, I told you guys we got some big giveaway about to happen. So we're gonna explain that and go through all that so you guys get an understanding and we can get this thing going, baby. But other than that, we get back to you. So we here with Dante, Inferno Performance. Got my words a little screwed up there. But anyways, man, we're gonna have a little talk, and I'm gonna let, like I told you guys from the last video, go ahead and subscribe to his channel. You see it up on the screen. And always when I shout somebody out, it's in the description below the video, so you can always get it there too. But I'm gonna talk to Dante, man. He gonna explain to you guys. You see he's big cut up, big buff arm, strong guy, man. So you know he gets those results, man. So as you guys see with me and my lady, we get the results coming here. So I'm gonna have him explain just like what his channel is gonna be about, what he's gonna be doing on his channel. That way you guys more informed, and when you tune into him, you know what you're gonna be seeing. So we're gonna get to it. Tell him a little bit about like what your channel is gonna be about.
All right, guys. So it's Inferno Performance. It's everything that you could do up under the sun with fitness. It's a little bit of performance. It's fitness. It's sculpting. It's about getting the results and also enjoying yourself.
Right.
For men, women, older clients, younger clients, youth, sports, or it's just somebody just trying to change up their health and their wellness, or just their lifestyle in general, just to be able to function with their kids, their grandkids, and so on and so forth. But the idea of Inferno Performance is about getting that whole aspect of 7 stages. A lot of people are familiar with Dante's Inferno, where you have to escape there and have to build yourself up from the bottom to feed all these different areas, these different stages, these zones, to become this beautiful Arctic angel, this beautiful specimen, whatever you want to go into, whatever your goal is called. That's how we get there. We have 7 stages, 4 different objects in each one of the stages to get overcome and get through in order to better yourself and get to the goals you need. As you guys saw in this video, that was a nice little group activity on the weekends. We're day in, day out. We're a 24/7 gym, 24,000 square foot. We utilize and house everything underneath the fitness realm, from supplements to nutrition, meal prep, smoothies, fitness, transformation, group classes, small group, family classes, one-on-one, or simply just written workouts. Check out the website, infernoperformance.fit. Check out our YouTube channel. Check out our social media. All of that you can find below hand. And just stay tuned, my man. It's a great environment, great people, and great family. Come and join us.
Yeah. And so then, like, a lot of people want to know, like, because there are a lot of people in my comments ask me, like, you know, is this a daily workout routine? Do you do it? Like, so you can, I let them know, like, you can do it daily. Yeah. It's kind of like what's dependent on, like,
it all depends on your availability. If you can just give yourself 20 minutes a day, there's something that can be managed. How fast you want your goals, how fast you want your results, that's going to tell you how long of a program you need, how often you should get into. If you're just maintaining, you're already where you want to be, you just want to lose a little weight, maybe you're just doing it every other day, but doing small maintaining homework at home. Rather it's from squats, push-ups, cardio, the abs, or just going in the gym every day just to get a nice structured cardio aspect. As long as you sweat, that's all you need, baby.
Right.
BTS.
Right. And so then for, like, the people that, like, obviously people, you know, that don't live in Arizona, you know, is there things that they'll be able to find on your YouTube channel that they'll be able to do?
YouTube channel, you'll find all types of different workout challenges to try out yourself, different alternatives. I also have different links and stuff to go on to my website, where we daily release a free workout every other day just for your own entertainment. It's all about enjoying it, but also changing up the program. I have 16 certifications underneath my belt, college degree, as well as hit the top tier of professional athletes playing in the NFL before I retired. This here is a process that I believe in, that everybody can either get it online, in here, written program, where I have guys in office, women in office chairs sitting 14, 18 hours a day, but yet they're still making those results, because nutrition is key. Check us out, get a nutrition plan, get your written workouts, and together you can make something happen.
You guys all got a little bit of good information from Dante, man. He did a good job explaining everything.
Yeah, baby.
So we're gonna get his YouTube channel going. He's gonna get it all up there. I know you guys ain't seen a post from 3 months ago, but that's okay. We fixing it.
Stay tuned, baby, because we're coming out daily, and it's gonna be good entertainment. So come and give us some support, subscribe to that channel, and we'll do the same.
Now we're gonna tell you guys. So I was talking to him and I told him, I said, we're gonna get you up there and them subscribers. So our goal is, we obviously want to grow forever, just like I grow. We want to keep growing. That's the name of the game. So we want to get him to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, baby.
Quick, okay? So let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. Now I told him I'd do a giveaway to my subscribers. He said that he would match.
Yes.
So we don't know exactly what the giveaway is going to be right now, but go ahead, you guys, right now, hop over to his YouTube channel, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when every time he drop a video, you'll be notified about it.
Yeah, baby, come and join that team, my man. Believe me, you will not be hated. There's nothing to hate on the channel. It's just all entertainment, man. Nothing but love and positivity.
That's
come
right.
Come and join the family.
Keep spreading it, man.
Yes,
we all grow together. Iron sharpening irons, baby. So, like I said, man, we'll get more information as far as when we get closer to that 1,000 subscribers, and we'll do that giveaway. Just know it's gonna be a big legendary giveaway, baby.
Yeah, buddy.
So, anything else you gotta say to him, Dante?
Click, 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 baby. Subscribe to us.
That's right. Other than that, man, I'm gonna get back to you guys. Alright, gang, so I am back at home now, as you guys can see. Got Logie Bear sitting over there. Are you being good? Huh? Are you being good?
And so yeah, Daddy, you just gave me some ice cream. It was really good. Now I'm a mess. No, put it down. Put it down. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, man, just want to show you guys, man. So like I said, just came back from the gym. Dante's Inferno Performance, man. Shout out to my guy Dante, man. Real cool dude, man. Ever since I met him, he's been very helpful. He's very informative on what he knows as far as working out, health, all that. He has his own farm. All this food and stuff he does and meal plans, all that, that's all farm raised food that he does everything himself. Talking about meal prep, I want to show you guys just kind of like our meal preps and like what me and my lady go through as far as like food. Like we eat the similar type of stuff. Some meals are hers, and then some meals we like we can share all the meals. And then sometimes there's time where these meals are my meals, these meals are her meals. But we are on a meal plan with Inferno Performance, which they have a Instagram which is called Inferno Meals, and you can go on there and check out their meals and stuff they do on there. But all this stuff is all ran by Dante. He's the one who does all this. He's the owner of both things. So with that being said, I'm just gonna show you guys kind of like the meal plan. So we have little cookie bars, which they call them cookie bars, but really if you look at it, it's got organic coconut oil, almond butter, you know, all this like really healthy stuff. It's like a healthy snack, you know what I mean? Instead of like eating some junk, we can have these. But obviously, you know, I can't sit here and eat 3 of them or eat 2 of them at one time. Like obviously you got to have them like 1 a day, or you know, split them up and stuff like that. Meal plan. So okay, so you see here we got like meatloaf. It's like a vegan kind of meat, so it's not like, you know, your typical like hamburger meat, you know. You see you got broccoli. These 2 are meatloaf. You got broccoli, got some potatoes in there. So, you know, it's like normal, like similar kind of normal meals, you know what I mean, but they're portioned to a right size. So like you eat this type of stuff, you're not like bloated full, you know. It's like, say you're hungry, it just cures the hunger. It doesn't make you like feel like, whoo, like I just ate a whole bunch, you know what I mean. But anyways, man, let's get to it. I'm gonna just kind of show you guys just a little bit so you guys get a gist of like what we kind of do as far as meal plans around here. So 2-3 meals a day, and then we can decide, like pick through, you know. So like you see here we got tilapia, you know, got green beans. All of them got a protein with a vegetable. But like you see, you got chicken, you know, I think this is like teriyaki chicken. Then we got meatballs. Again, these meatballs are not like hamburger meatballs. They're like, I don't know, Dante would be able to explain it more better for you. All I know is it's healthy stuff, so I eat it, you know what I mean. Got broccoli, all types of stuff. But then like you got like chili, like some kind of chili. What else we got in here? That is, I don't know exactly what that is. I think, no, that's chili too. That's chili. So we got some chili with broccoli, we got some chili with spinach. Then we got salmon with like some kind of teriyaki sauce on it. You see you got snap peas in there. Same thing here, we got some salmon with the same. So we got a bunch of different kind of meals you can choose from. So not every day you are typically eating the same stuff when you get like meals, but like say next week we won't have meatballs, or you know, we'll have something different. But these are kind of like our meal plans, and this is how we eat, you guys. It makes it's convenient in so many ways, because it's convenient because like if we're on the go and we don't got time to like make meals, we don't have to worry about it because we got meal plans right here, you know. So it makes it easy, makes it very convenient as far as like getting about your day and doing what you got to do. But that's what I want to show you guys, man. I want you guys to see our meal plans, kind of give you guys a understanding of like how we eat around here. There is no snacking, like we don't snack in between meals, because obviously we're on a meal plan. When you do stuff like that, you're cheating yourself, because you know, you pay for these things, you pay for the workouts, you pay for results. That's what you're going for, you know what I mean? When you work out, you're going for results, you want to look better, you're going for a goal you want to reach, you know what I mean?
So when you cheat, you're cheating yourself because you're setting yourself back. So we don't cheat. With that being said, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my guy Dante at INFERNO Performance on his YouTube channel. You see it up on the screen. It'll be in the description. His Instagram, all that stuff will be in the description. His website, all that will be in the description. And you guys can really chop it up with him. If you hit him up on Instagram, on his DM, on INFERNO Performance, if you hit him up, he's really good at responding back to you, and he's got very good. His knowledge here, man, with the workout and all that type of stuff is he's very smart with it. So he knows what he's doing. So if you guys ever gotta like want to pick his brain, ask him a little something, go ahead, go hit him up, man. Go ask him. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and ask him, man. He'll definitely get back to you. But other than that, we are gonna be doing a giveaway. Like I said, let's get him to 1,000 subscribers, man. When he reaches that 1,000 subscriber mark, there's gonna be a huge giveaway. And when I mean huge, man, I'm not talking about just like, oh, you know, a shirt giveaway. No, we talking like a good giveaway. It's gonna be a good gift package, baby. It's gonna be a nice giveaway, and it's not gonna be just one winner, man. We gonna get the details and all that all figured out. But first, we gotta get them to them 1,000 subscribers, baby. Now, I got 31,000 subscribers, baby. We can't get him to 1,000. Come on, y'all. Come on, baby. We gotta get him to that 1,000, man. Let's get him to that 1,000 mark. You guys, go spam him, man. Hit that subscribe button, smash that bell, man, and make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. He will be getting stuff up. Don't worry. I know y'all ain't seen something in 3 months, like I said before, but he's gonna be getting videos up, and there's gonna be a lot of good videos as far as like people that's out of town. Like I said in the video earlier, if you're out of town, you want to do stuff, you want to work out, you want to get that good workout, and you want to get in shape, you know, you want to be motivated to do this stuff, go to his channel. You can watch his videos, see what he does, and I promise you, as long as you stick to the plan and you don't cheat yourself, what he does, you're gonna get results. I mean, just look at me. I'm not like crazy big, nasty, cut up, you know what I mean? But I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm feeling great about myself. You know what I mean? You see the arm, baby. So with that being said, man, I appreciate all your guys' love and support, man. Barrett Gang family, man, I can never say it enough to you guys. I greatly appreciate your guys' love support. I'm growing so fast. It's unbelievable. It's crazy. But I couldn't be growing this fast without you guys, man. So I greatly appreciate every one of you guys, all my new subscribers. Welcome to the Barrett Gang family, man. I greatly appreciate you guys. It's all about inspiring others, being positive, carrying positive vibes. That's what it's about, baby. So with that being said, man, make sure y'all go one more time. Go subscribe to my guy Dante at INFERNO Performance, man. Smash that subscribe, smash that bell, and make sure y'all in tune with him, man. And let him know that the life of Jeremy Barrett sent you, baby. Drop it down in the comment of any one of his videos. Just say, the life of Jeremy Barrett sent me. Greatly appreciate all the love and support, but other than that, baby. Logan, you got anything else you want to say to them? You want to say bye? You want to say bye? Say bye-bye.